Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to move files and folders inside your Google Drive account. Now once you're inside Google Drive, you just need to go ahead and find the files or the folder wherever you have them stored, and I'm going to use these two folders as an example because I have some photos there. So I'm going to open, for example, this photos folder here, and as you can see I have a bunch of folders. But first let me go ahead and change the view by clicking the upper right hand side here where I have the two options for the different layout, because I want to see what those files look like, and of course you can get a sneak peek into some of my photos. Right now, for example, this first one here, let's say I would like to move it. There are two ways to go about doing that. One is that you can click on the folder and you can do like a Control X on your keyboard, and you will see on the lower left hand side that it tells you that it cuts the item. And of course, once you go to the next folder, let me go back to those folder here. Let me simply go back to the main drive here, and you click on the second folder here. And if I go to this folder, I can just do a Control V on my keyboard. It's gonna pop up here and ask me to move the file here. I'm gonna simply click on move, and you see that it moves this file to this folder. So this is how you can do it. Now I'm going to use the second option to move it back. So you just want to right click on the particular file, then go to organize, then click and move. And from here you see it pops up and it shows you all of your suggested folders, or you can go ahead and look for different folders. I'm going to choose this option here. So if you want to change the location, you can simply go ahead and click here and it will go ahead and find different files for you. So if you want to go ahead and find different folders, you can go ahead and either choose your start if you want to move it to start, or you can click in all locations and just move your way through the different files and you will find wherever you want to move it to. Right, well, I'm going to simply use the suggested options. So let's say I want to move this back to the photos folder. I can just simply click on that and click and move, or as you can see towards the right hand side you also have the move button. So whichever one you click, either here or here, just click and move, then click and move again once you get this pop-up, and it will be moved to that folder. Now if I go back to that folder again, you can see that it moved back. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.